Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in with me once again. Today I will be going over 3 new stocks that I'm invested in. I also will be going over giving out a recap of the ticker symbol ZOM stock that we currently have. And also I will be going over a few calls that I have, a few call options. So if you guys just stick around, stay tuned into the video. I got a lot of things to show you. And also, if you guys are new, you could like and subscribe to this video. It'll really help out the channel a lot. Also, if you guys are new to Robinhood or Webull and want to sign up, you can use my link down below in the description. Just click on the link, sign up. For Robinhood, you will receive 1 free stock. For Webull, you will receive 2 stocks just for signing up. And you will also receive 2 other stocks after you make a first deposit of $100. So guys, go ahead and get those free stocks and let's continue this journey. So with that being said, we can go ahead and get right into my portfolio to show you guys how it's looking. Alright, I'm already logged into my Robinhood account. As of right now, I'm sitting at $3,990.74. Now last week wasn't a really good week for me. I'm in the green, but overall it was a lot better. I started off Tuesday morning. I was pretty good. I think I got all the way up to 44, maybe 44 and a half. So I thought it was gonna keep going higher and higher, but eventually it just kept going the opposite direction of the pattern I was trying to get it to. So let's take a few looks at a few of my penny stocks that I've recently added into my portfolio. For the first one, we're going to go type in the ticker symbol, which is ACST. Alright, it's currently right at 81, almost 82 cents right now. I do have 400 shares of this stock right here with a market value of $327. I know last week it did hit over the dollar mark. I think it was a little higher than the $1.06. I want to say it probably made right at like $1.12. So I am anticipating on this stock to get back to where it was last week, right at the over the $1 mark. So let's see, I'm aiming for this to get back over the $1 mark so I can maybe buy in some more shares. But as of right now, I'm going to stick with what I have and just wait till it burst that dollar bubble again. And another one that I have is CTRM. Now I have 200 shares of this with a market value of $82. It was pretty up and down all day Friday. Like I said, it didn't really just go too high or go too low. It kind of stayed in the same range. Within the past week, it's made a little bit over 6 cents. Over the past month, it's done over 25 cents, which is pretty much a little bit over double. So hopefully it can go in the same pattern that it's been going and just keep going up further and further from here. Like I said, once it goes over $1, reaches it $1 mark, I do want to have a lot of shares in this stock, so my money as well could double and triple. So I am aiming for it to go higher as well. And one more stock that I will be getting in, this one right here. Alright, ticker symbol INUV. So this stock right here, it has been doing pretty good. It had a real good week last week, almost 100%, being up 79 cents. Now this right here did reach over the $2 mark as well, and I think it was a little bit more than 217. But as we go down some, I have 298 shares, right at 300 shares. I will be buying more shares of these two first thing Monday morning with a market value of $518. For a month out, it has done 3 times this amount. So right around December the 31st and January the 1st, as you see, it was like 45-46 cents, and it just reached its peak. Well, not its peak, it just did a nice jump and it doubled up a few times. So I'm anticipating on this one right here doubling up a few more times as well. So I'm gonna toughen this one right here out. Like I said, for the week, well, for the week, it was after it hit its high, it was starting to come down some, but I am anticipating on this one right here to get back to where it currently was at first and go over the $2 range as well. Now let's have a recap of ZOM, ticker symbol ZOM. Now I did do a video of this one right here a week ago. I think when I did the video then, it was right at like 45-46 cents. As you see, this right here has doubled. I'm currently sitting at right at 500 shares of this with a market value of $486. And also this one right here, it did go over the 97 cents that it's in right now. I want to say it got to let's see, go down to its 52-week high, which is $1.48. So which is real good, and I'm still gonna hold this one out until the good news comes out right in March, the end of March. So this one right here will be a nice hold for me. I do see this one right here still going up more than what its 52-week high was, which is the right here, which is the $1.48. So you guys are in this one as well. I want you to stick it out, buy more shares, because right in March I do see this one right here being a lot more than what it is now. Possibly could double from where it is right now. So you guys in this one, just stick it out, sell some profit right after March. That's what I will be doing. I might narrow it down to just 200 shares and take the rest of my profit and move on to another stock. So if you're in this one right here, you guys just hold out, and the benefits will pay for itself. Alright, now I do want to show you guys a few calls that I am in right now. So basically, the call that I'm doing, I'm basically saying, hey, I think this stock is going to go above this price. So for example, SENS, SENS, I'm going to click that one. So as you go, scroll down to my positions right here, under about one contract, and the break-even price was $1.90. Basically what I'm saying here is I think that this stock will go above $1.90. Now keep in mind, I bought one contract of this. One contract equals 100 shares. So basically every time this stock goes up 1 cent, I'm gaining $1. So $1 per cent is what I am gaining in this. As you see, I am up $43. So as long as I'm up in the green, what I receive is everything above $1.90 plus the amount I pay for the contract, which is, if you look down a little bit more at average cost, which is 90 cents. But keep in mind, one contract is 100 shares. So I had to buy 90 shares by the cost of 90 cents times 100 is $90. So I do have this contract all the way until February the 19th. I am going to try to extend it. Now I did have I was up pretty good a few days ago. It did reach over $2.50. I think I was at maybe $180, maybe $190 for the market value. So I could have cashed out then and received that $180 plus the $90 that I bought the contract for. But I was just sticking it out. Like I said, I still have close to a month left, so I'm going to see what it can do from there. Now if you guys, let me go back one time. Now if you guys want to do calls are pretty tricky. You have to learn which buttons to hit. You want to make sure you're asking to buy the right thing. Now in order to get the call option on your screen, you just go to your profile, hit the man down at the bottom right. I'm going to hit my 3 lines up the top right, and I'm going to go to investing. Click investing, and scroll down to your option trading. Right here, the option trading, you want to click option settings, and you want to make sure you have all of these checked off. You just go through the process of the questions that they're asking, so you can go ahead and get your options set up. That way, once you're done and when you've completed all these, has a check mark by it, you are able to buy and sell contracts, or to buy and sell options, make option plays. So that right there is what I'm doing right now. You see I have 5 option plays rolling. I am doing pretty good in all of them, except my marijuana stock, which is SNDL, but I have time on it. I have to the 26th of February on that one, so I'm going to keep all my options open until closer to its expiration date. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed another Let's Talk Stock video. A few of the stocks that I did go over with you guys. I hope you take consideration and maybe grabbing a few shares of those, and let's double and triple our money up as much as we can. Also, do your own due diligence. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know some stocks that I'm getting myself in and making and bettering positions that I'm currently in right now. But like I said, do your own due diligence and consider some of these stocks, because when they double, you do not want to miss it, and you want to make sure you was able to say you did double up in these stocks. So with that being said, I hope you guys continue to make money, and that'll be it. See you guys soon.